Let me show you how to manage your permission access to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how to add or remove channel manager access. And what you need to do is you first need to be logged in to your YouTube channel and then go to the top right corner here and then go to your YouTube studio. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like for my end, but yours might look a little bit different. So I'm going to show you a version of that screen if you are seeing something different on your screen. So once you're in your YouTube studio, you're going to go to the settings down on the bottom left corner. You're going to click on settings, and then you're going to go to where it says permissions and click on that. And you might see something like this that says manage permissions. If you see something different, I'll explain in a second what you need to do. But if you're seeing this screen, you're going to click on Manage Permissions. You're going to be taken to this screen here. So go to Manage Permissions again. It'll ask you to log in, so you do need to do that first. And then after you've logged in, you're going to click on Manage Permissions again. And this is the screen where you are able to add or invite a new user to your channel. So you would add their email address. So I'm just going to show you as an example, if I were to choose this email address and I hit the tab button, and you can send multiples at once too. You would just add the next email address here, and you need to choose a role. So you'll pretty much just be selecting manager. Communications manager is an outdated form of permissions. It just gives you it gives the person access to your Google brand account, but not anything to do with your YouTube channel. So make sure you select manager, and then you're going to hit invite. And what that does is it sends an email to that person. They need to click accepting the invite, and then they will have access to your YouTube channel. If you wanted to remove someone, all you need to do is just click on the X, and then that's it. It's pretty simple. Now, you might have seen a different screen before. You might have seen a screen similar to what you're seeing here. If this is the case, you first need to follow the steps that I just showed you by clicking on Manage Permissions and sending that person an invite. And then what you would do is come back here and click on Move Permissions so that they actually have access to your YouTube studio. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.